Coindeapex. Secured investments. Hello valid investors and welcome to Coindeapex. If you have been looking for an easy-to-use investment company, then join us today at Coindeapex to start investing with us. In this video we are going to show you how to make a withdrawal after you have deposited, buy a plan, wait for 24 hours duration and earn 10% daily profit in Coindeapex exchanges plan. Click on the 3-line up there. Scroll down and click on Withdraw. This is a secure area. Please confirm your password before continuing with the withdrawal. Enter the password you used to register with us. Click on Confirm. Our data-driven approach allows you to monitor key metrics, adjust strategies, and stay ahead of market trends, ensuring your financial journey is both secure and profitable. Click on Request Withdrawal. Your withdrawal details are required to process your request. Enter amount. £1 is the minimum amount to withdraw. Enter your correct details for withdrawal. Click on the complete request and be patient to review and take necessary action. Action successful. Please wait while we process your request. Click on the 3-line up there. Scroll down and click on the Home. Funds Management. We optimize your investments through a diversified portfolio, focusing on security, transparency, and growth. Our expert team ensures continuous monitoring and adjustments to align with your financial goals. All you need is to check your personal account to confirm the withdrawal. We processed withdrawal requests automatically. Sometimes it takes up to 5 minutes to reflect in an account due to security reasons. With your Coindeapex account you can also earn 7% referral commission when you refer someone to join. Click on the 3-line up there and be scrolling down to see the option Referrals, then click on it. Refer users to Coindeapex community. You can refer users by sharing your referral link. Click on the box to copy your referral link and start sharing it. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.